Extract images from URLs in Excel. Need to display images from hyperlinks or image file paths in Excel. Here I have a list of image URLs. How can we display all the images automatically? In this video, I'll show you two methods. Let's start with Excel's built-in image function. In the destination cell, enter the image function. Select the cell containing the image URL. Then press enter. However, if Excel blocks external content, the image function will be blocked and won't display the image. And a yellow security warning appears at the top of the worksheet. Click Enable Content. Refresh the formula. Then you can see Excel loads the image and displays it in the cell. Use the fill handle to copy the formula down. Excel displays the remaining images automatically. This method works well if you are using Microsoft 365. If you need a simpler solution that works with any Excel version, Kutools for Excel makes the process much easier. After installing Kutools for Excel, go to Kutools, Insert Pictures from Path, URL. The dialog box appears. Select the range containing the URL hyperlinks or image paths. Then select the destination range. Choose the picture size. For example, keep the original picture size, or specify a fixed height or width. Click OK. That's it. Kutools inserts all the images into the selected cells automatically. It works the same way with local image paths. No formulas. Works with all Excel versions. Just a few clicks. That's how you can extract images from hyperlinks or file paths in Excel. Thanks for watching.